Hi, and welcome to Cario, your all-in-one freight management software. In this session, we'll be going over the Quick Quote function. So, in this menu here, you'll be able to quickly calculate how much a freight shipment would cost. To do so, you will start with inputting the pickup location. So for this example, from the dispatch site. The next step, you will need to specify the deliver to location. So you can input the address, or to make things simple, let's just go by postal code. So here you can see that the postcode for Sydney is 2000, so we're sending it over here as a deliver to location. Once you have set the pickup and deliver to location, the next step is to go ahead and input your shipment dimensions and weight. Start with picking the container, followed by specifying the quantity. Say I'm sending 5 cartons, input the weight, this is 50 kilos, and input your dimensions. Once you have that done, note that you also have some delivery options here on the top right that you can select. For example, if you are in need of a pickup tailgate, you can select that. Alright, once you have filled up all the necessary details, the next step would be to click on this calculate icon on the bottom right. Let the system do its work, and soon you'll be able to see and compare all the rates from your pickup location to your deliver to location, as you can see here on the screen. Note that things highlighted in blue are the cheapest quotes, while things highlighted in orange are the earliest delivery times. If you hover over the numbers, you can also see the breakdown of the different costs. For example here, since we previously selected the tailgate option, you can see that there is an additional charge for the tailgate. And just like that, now you know how you can use Cario to quickly find and calculate any freight shipment costs for your logistics needs. Okay, see you next time. Bye.